everybody.
Hi guys. All right, today is the big day. We spent 4 months planning, building, shredding, packing, unpacking, decorating, shopping, renovating, and we're done.
It's been crazy.
It?
We're done. I can't believe it. No,
we're
but
bananas. Yeah. We're bananas, we're tired, but we're so excited. This is a new chapter for us. You guys have been with us every step of the way. So now we are going to reveal to you the headquarters of Demos That Rock and VO Buzz Weekly for the first time ever. You ready, YouTube, internet, Chuck?
See, I'm ready. So
right.
Welcome to the final reveal.
Let's go.
You guys have enjoyed the final reveal of the new VO Buzz Weekly and Demos at Rock Studios. We were happy to bring that to you, and now you can come visit us. We want to thank a few people that without them and all their help and all their
incredible products.
Oh my God, we couldn't have made this thing happen.
Yes.
Number one, Shop Wild Things. Write this down, shopwildthings.com. These beautiful chain linked panels that we have back there,
Yes.
They provided us with those, and also STUDIOBRICKS. For that beautiful booth that I now have in the studio for you guys to come and work in, by the way. It's the most incredible vocal booth I have ever been in. It sounds so beautiful. And man, it was such a pleasure to work with STUDIOBRICKS. So STUDIOBRICKS.com, you guys rock.
Yes, and George Whittam, George the Tech. Man, is he awesome.
Absolutely.
He knows his stuff, he's passionate about it. If you need anybody to help you with fine-tuning and getting your home studio sounding amazing, George Whittam is the guy.
Absolutely.
And LA Sound Panels, locally here in LA, who took our design, our crazy midnight visions,
Yep.
and turned them into something gorgeous that they really brought it to life for us. We love it, and it sounds incredible.
Yep.
We also have to thank our ongoing sponsors who've been with us since the beginning. Sennheiser, who makes us sound great. Najlas.com for her Bodygood buzz bars that keeps us energized and fueled.
Feeling good.
And Traditional
And strong.
Medicinals, right?
Yep.
Look at that. They give us our voice, great health, Traditional Medicinals.
Yep.
And also some personal thank yous.
Special thank yous.
Yes. To my best friend of my whole life, Melissa Greenspan, for climbing into crawl spaces with me and helping us unpack stuff and showing up for us.
Yes, and Larry Hudson and his
Yes.
crowbar.
His magic crowbar.
Larry, we could not have done this thing without you, man. Larry showed up here with all the tools and the crowbar and the cart and the whole shebang. And then also our good friend Scott Laverty for lending us his big giant muscles and his
big
love.
giant heart.
He's
Yeah.
such a sweet guy. Thank you all so much.
Yes.
We could not have done this thing as well as we did it without you guys.
Yes, and as always, thank you guys out there watching for all your awesome comments, for subscribing and supporting us. We have more shows to do. We got to get to work. But
Absolutely.
we love you, and thank you for what? Getting buzzed with us.
Absolutely.
So
and
let's do it.
in fact, you always have time
for
a little buzz.